Hello everyone, my name is James. I'll be talking about some earthquakes today. I'm on the USGS website, and on this website you can see all of the earthquakes around the world on different times. We're on the 30 days, magnitude of 4.5 plus, and you can see all these dots. These are all earthquakes around here. The biggest one that I found was down here. It's in Jamaica, right next to Jamaica. It was a magnitude of 7.7, and this earthquake happened on January 28th, 2020. And I believe that this one happened because of this fault line right here. This plate boundary caused earthquakes, shifting, and things like that. And then another one right here that is in the United States. It's happened in Barstow, California on January 25th. It's a magnitude 4.6. Thinking this one happened because it's right next to this plate boundary. Also, we got some more up here next to Oregon. It was a 4.5 on February 19th, so that was more recent, right off the coast of Oregon.